TFNN. Headline News Update.
Hi everyone, Basil Chapman here on the 9th day since the Dow made its all-time high of 34,256 on the 16th of April. It's up 112, and this is interesting. This is the second last day of the month, 29th of April. Tiger Financial News Network update, 10 a.m. And we're looking at the Dow sliding after that Chapman Wave inside track resistance. Let me just show you here. Remember, I've been showing this for days and days and days. Lower highs are much lower lows. And if you keep getting repelled at that level, that's really not a good sign. Also, I have a rule of 136. If by the 6th bar, you cannot break a trend line resistance, that's kind of difficult. It means that you have to almost restart again if you're going to make new highs. Anyway, in the meantime, the Dow is now up 99. The S&P had a very strong overnight spike, and it made an all-time high of 4218.78. It's now up 21.39. It's 42.04. That's quite a bit of a pullback, but look, you got a gap up here. I'm watching this very closely in my show, the Tiger Ignitions Hour, coming up in a few minutes. I'm going to be discussing what happens in this particular pattern. Is there an alternate count? What's going on? And in the meantime, let's just make it real simple. If by Tuesday of next week, the S&P is underneath 4160, that's going to be a big problem. So far, it's acting very well. The QQQ, the NDX 100 trading vehicle, made a new high today of 342.80. The last high was back about the 16th of April at 342.80. And, yep, this is a break. There was a little cup and a handle pattern right here, not one of my favorite patterns at all. And what we're looking at, today is a very important day because there is no room for error here because you've had only good news, and the market is so far taking it kind of in its stride, but it's not. I'll discuss it in the show, but it's not really so exuberant. But at the same time, this is important because if there is a failure today going into tomorrow and then Monday starts quite sharply lower, that's going to be tough. The IWM, the Russell 2000, is up 36. Had a bit of a pullback from the high. So far, not bad action. But look at this. Gold. Gold is trading down. Sharp is down 17 at 1756. I'll be discussing that because the dollar is in a leg D and the euro is in a leg D down. The euro is in a leg D up. Is there some kind of a change going on? We'll talk about that when I get back to the Tiger Ignitions Hour.